Welcome again to my video friends. Today we are going to learn about how to integrate our custom domain inside group pages. If you are new to my channel and if your interest is digital marketing, affiliate marketing, how to grow your business online, then like, share and subscribe my channel for future update. Okay guys, we are in the dashboard of my account of GrooveFunnel. So if we integrate our domain inside GrooveFunnels, then we have to go to my account first, then domain, then click on the custom domain. This tab is for the subdomain of with host with group pages, and this is for our custom domains. Let's click on manage. Now I already connected my one custom domain inside GrooveFunnels. Let's add another domain. Let's click on full domain setup. Click on next. Now here we have to enter our domain name, which is now click on next. Now this is the name server. Connect your domain in a few simple steps. Log into your account with your domain provider and update your name server to point to the record below. These two name server we have to change inside our domain registrar. So I have purchased my domain from here. It's Hero Hosty. In your case might be its Namecheap or GoDaddy. So you have to go to GoDaddy or Namecheap, go to your DNS records, and there you have to find your name server where is located. Click on that. Click on the use custom name server. They all domain registrar given us their default name server. We have to choose a custom name server to host our domain with group pages or GrooveFunnel, whichever we want to host our domain. We can host on group pages, we can host for group member at which any platform. So for the sake of the video, I am going to host my domain inside group pages. Let's copy this name server and paste it here. Change name servers, click on here. Now we have to wait for some time. Till then we have to click on next. Now click on the validate DNS record. Now we have to wait for the name server propagation. Now click on update. Now we have to select any template for our to publish our domain inside group pages. My domain is related to real estate, so let's search real estate template here. Yes, this one. Let's select it, give it to name according to my site. Now we have to search here our custom domain, but we have to wait for the activation process. Application. Click here to verify. Let's click on it. Log in to your account. We already changed our name server. Let's wait for the moment. Validate DNS record. Let's click on that. Yes, guys, it's successfully verified domain, secure and connected. Now we have to choose our primary apps where we have to connect this domain with which platform. These are the primary platform with GrooveFunnels at the moment where we can connect our custom domain. Let's we have to connect with GroovePages or GrooveSell for the selling product or services, for the Groove member for membership site, membership portal, or GrooveBlog. I am going to connect this domain with GroovePages. So choose primary app for this domain. Let's click on this. Click on GroovePages. Click on this icon and again click on this icon. Let's click on update. Now let's check our custom domains is showing inside GroovePages or not. Still not showing. Let's again go to my account, go to custom domain, manage. It's already secured and connected here, showing. Click again on update. Let's refresh the page. It's refreshing. Speed is slow from my end. Let's check. Okay guys, we have integrated our domain inside GroovePages successfully. Now select this domain to publish this website. Click on the website first to publish. We can publish current page also, but whenever you edit some uh, exclusive page, then you can publish that page. But if you want to publish whole site at one moment, then click on the publish site. Here you can see three button. One is for publish, this is for the check of the URL, and this is for the copy of the URL. So let's publish our site. Okay, select location first. We have to select a root location because this is our main domain, this is not our subdomain. So we have to select root location and click on publish. Now wait for the moment. We will have a notification from GroovePages. Okay guys, we have a notification from GroovePages that site publish in progress. Now we can check from here, and that's it guys. Our domain is live inside GroovePages. So guys, this is how we integrate our domain inside GrooveFunnels. Either we can integrate our domain for GroovePages or GrooveBlog or GrooveSell or GrooveMember. which platform you would like to integrate with that. So this is the process. Thanks watching my video, guys.